everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. I'm really glad you're here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon Prime Day 2021. It's coming in a couple weeks and I wanted to share some information that I have on it. Prime Day, if you're not familiar with what that is, it's Prime is a subscription that you pay for on Amazon, which gives you free shipping and some other benefits. There is a lot of benefits to it. I have already done a video about all the benefits of Amazon Prime. This video is specifically just about the 2021 Amazon Prime Day. And I'm going to list some of the deals that I have found that are going to be offered that day. Anyways, if you have not already subscribed, please do that. I would appreciate it. I'm over 100 now and I'm really excited. Anyways, let's get going. Whoops. Helps, there we go. So when is Prime Day? It's Monday, June 21st through Tuesday, June 22nd. Amazon Prime members can save a lot of money. If you've never done a Prime Day in the past, I'm going to try to explain a little bit what it is. They offer like lightning deals that go off every, 10, 15 minutes. And you can save a significant amount on those items, but there are a limited amount of items. So they're called lightning deals, and you'll click on them and it'll say, okay, 74% claimed. So that means almost all of them are gone already. So you better hurry up and grab it if you want it. And you put it in your cart and you have like 15 minutes to check out. If you don't check out in that time, it'll stay in your cart, but you're now going to pay regular price. So that's how the lightning deals work. And they have other deals of the day and other just random specials that are going on. It's kind of fun, but be careful not to get caught up in it because you can end up paying a lot more than you need to. Like something they'll say, oh, this is 54% off the list price, but it never really sold at that list price and it's really only like 10% off. So it's not really that great of a deal. So you have to really kind of know what you're looking for and what the going price is before you jump and just start buying a bunch of stuff. There's going to be a lot of weird items and a lot of popular items. So anyways, just be aware of those things. Let's see. Why is my mouse is not working? Anyways, if you're not an Amazon Prime member, you can still take advantage of this. You just have to sign up for the 30-day trial. If you've already had a trial, I don't think it's going to let you have another trial. But if you've never had one, go ahead and do it. And I would do it ahead of time. The deals are starting on June 7th. So if you start your 30-day free trial on June 7th, then you have all the way till July 7th. So it'll cover you through Prime Day and you'll get the early deals also. So if you've never done Prime before, get the 30-day trial. I suggest getting it before June 7th. That way it covers you through all the deals in case something pops up that you really want. I looked this morning. There was already a couple deals up. So, yeah, there's no reason to wait. So that's that. So what's the big deal? Some years they have really great discounts on popular items. Sometimes not so much. The deals of the day are sometimes great items with great pricing. Like I think that's how I bought my Roomba. No. What did I buy? Anyways, I can't remember. We got Roomba at Target. Anyways, I'm not sure, but it ended up being like 50% off the regular price for a really great item. Anyways, and I talked about the lightning deals, but they have those going on the whole time during Prime Day. These are limited time offers. They're only available for a short period of time or until they sell out. You have only a few minutes to grab them and check out in order to take advantage of the deal. If you have an Amazon Chase credit card and you're a Prime member, you'll earn 6% back on all Prime Day purchases, which is an additional discount you'll be getting, really. So that's kind of good too. Here are a few of the deals that have been leaked. I don't think it's leaked. I think they put them out on purpose, but supposedly, according to Amazon, there's going to be 2 million deals over the Prime Day. Here's a few. So if you buy $40 of Amazon credit cards, gift cards, on Prime Day, you'll get an extra $10 credit in your Amazon account, which is awesome. So if you're going to buy some Amazon gift cards for gifts, even for Christmas, buy them now, and then you'll get some extra money back. There's Round Dutch Oven on sale for $349, which is regularly $409. Toshiba Smart TV for $129, which is regular $199. 4 months of Amazon Music for free if you're a new subscriber and you subscribe on Prime Day. Don't do it now. Wait till the promotion starts. There's a Roomba for $229 that's regularly $275. Sony noise canceling headphones for $298, which are regularly $349. Insignia 4K 43-inch smart TV, which is available now for $219. That's the one I just saw, instead of $319. So that's $100 off. Okay, are these astronomically great deals? No, but they're good deals. And if you're going to buying this stuff anyways, like this TV that's $100 off, that's like, 30% off right there. So that's pretty good. Some of them don't seem like huge, like $60 off of this. I don't know if that's a great deal or not. I've never bought one of these Le Creuset, or however you say it, round Dutch ovens. Seems like a lot of money for a pot, but hey, people love those things. Anyways, so those are just an example of some of the deals. I'm sure there's going to be tons of great deals. I'm sure they have a lot planned. Anyways, what may be on sale and what's probably not going to be on sale. I'm not really sure. These are guesses. I've done some research online from people who really analyze all this stuff, and here's what they said. Probably going to be on sale will be fashion, beauty, pet products, TVs and smart devices, health and wellness, fitness gear, tools, and kitchen items. That will probably go on sale. Probably will not go on sale. Here's this category. So you've got the gaming consoles, toys, cameras, non-Amazon electric brands. So a lot of Amazon stuff will be on sale. Probably the Amazon Fire, all the, I can't even think of what any of those things are called. The speaker, the Echo Dot, I think it's called, and all the Amazon devices will probably be on sale, probably with great pricing. So if you're thinking of getting any of those, wait until Prime Day. And they said that computing devices probably will not be on sale. They said there'll be some lower end laptops probably, but they're not expecting huge, great deals on computing devices. But who knows? We could be totally wrong. These lists could be totally wrong. And they also were saying that it might be better to wait for Black Friday for deals on items that are like especially high-end TVs or brand new released items. Like high-end computers, high-end laptops and stuff like that, and the high-end TVs. They said they probably will not be included in Prime Day, or they say they might have a few that will just be limited quantities. He said, but Black Friday should be much better for those things. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Okay, and other stores may join in. Target, Walmart, and I just saw that also Best Buy has already released a big deal day similar. So Walmart, they're calling it Deals for Days, is being held June 20th through the 23rd, including sales on electronics, home, beauty, fashion, toys, and more. And then Target has already announced their big sale, which is called Deal Days, which is slated to be held June 20 to the 22nd. That supposedly will feature all sorts of items, including electronics, homes, essentials, and toys. So, Best Buy also is going to have a big sale coinciding with the same dates. So there's some options. If you have some money right now to do some shopping, even for the holidays, do it now and save the stuff. Save some money. I don't know. Need a new TV? Get a TV. Prime is fun. And even if you're not a Prime member, I would log in and check it out and just watch the craziness of it all and just watch everything just disappear on the lightning deals. I'm amazed at some of the things that people just buy that are like, don't even look like something anybody would buy on a normal day, but because it's cheap, they'll buy it, which is great for Amazon. They're getting rid of a lot of this excess stock, and I'm sure that's the things they put on there, probably things they have a ton of, that no one's really buying. Let's just mark them down real high real low and then just sell them. I don't know. Who knows what the strategy is, but it's fun. I enjoy it. I don't buy a lot, but I think it's fun to be part of it. So thank you for watching. Please comment below with what you hope is on sale for Prime Day. And do you plan on buying any lightning deals? Do you just like to watch them? Are you already a Prime member? If not, will Prime Day entice you to join? Just some things to think about. Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. And I hope you score lots of Prime Day deals. See you next time.